Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Today we're going to be doing an instructional video of how to use the Harmony Pro Universal Remote. So first things first, the Harmony Pro does have a cradle, a charging cradle here. So whenever you're done with it, just put it back in the cradle. That way you never lose it. Sits just like this, doesn't take up a lot of space. You can see it's about the size of a cordless phone. So we're just going to take that right off the charger. You can see we have 4 activities in this in this setup here. So the activities actually will control everything. So you are doing an activity, so you don't actually have to turn on all your devices, change inputs, etc. So what watch TV activity actually will do, all of our equipment is actually in this cabinet here. So you can see we've got quite a bit of equipment in this cabinet. This system we actually installed about 1.5 years ago. We're just here doing a service call, but you can see they've got a video camera in here, old camcorder, because they like to watch home movies. So we've got the cables tied together, and they can easily just pull it out and be able to control it for sitting from the couch here. We've got our network switch, Panamax surge protector and power conditioner, Sony 4K Blu-ray player, Pioneer Elite receiver, dish box, and the extra remotes here. So down here we have the Logitech Harmony Pro hub. So that's what communicates with the remote. The device is over IP as well as IR and communicates with the remote itself. So what we're going to do here is actually press watch TV so you can see what it's doing. So it turned the receiver on, turns on the dish box, and actually changes the input on the receiver as well. So it also turned on the TV here. As you can see, the TV is on and changes the correct input. The channel buttons, they can press whatever they want. They want to press 5 for whatever channel that is. I'm not sure, but that obviously will change the channel. So from there, there's several pages that are on the remote. So you can see if you swipe over, it gives you options for the player or the cable box as well as the channel button. Swipe over, you can again control the volume there, but it's a little redundant because we're going to go back and hit the back channel, and the volume button, you can see, will actually control the volume on the TV there. Channel will go up and down. You press the channel button. We're gonna so we can go back there. So we can press the channel button. Channel goes up and down. If we wanted to then go and go to the guide, you press the guide button. It brings up your guide. You can then navigate with the keypad up and down here. You want to go to the DVR, you press the DVR button. It brings up your DVR. You can navigate and select anything you want from your DVR. Of course, you can press mute, and that mutes it. From here, let's say you want to go and watch a movie. So we're going to go back to hit the activities button here. We're going to press watch a movie. So there we go. So you can see it's doing some processes here, and what that actually does is you can see it changed the receiver to Blu-ray disc. It turns on the 4K Sony Blu-ray player, and from here we can then navigate and watch a movie. They don't have a disc in here at the moment, but you can see if we wanted to, we just would hit select and there's no disc. Start playing it. Pop a disc in, it'll start playing. The pause, play, pause, fast forward, stop, all know to automatically control that device, being the Blu-ray player. The volume button, of course, will continue to control the volume and everything from there. So then let's say we want to go and watch Apple TV. We just hit activities, press watch Apple TV. You can see it's doing a process here on the remote, and you can see now the receiver has changed to Streambox. So from here, we can now control and talk to the Apple TV. Let's say we want to go and watch Netflix. You just select Netflix and pulls it up right here. See, of course, just like that. So works very, very easily. It's super simple to use and it's reliable. So then what's really nice is you can see if we wanted to go back to watch TV, you just select that and hit watch TV. and it'll go right back over here. You don't actually have to turn off any devices in between. We're not going and turning off the Blu-ray player to turn on the cable box, or turning off the cable box in between everything. The only time you actually have to turn anything off is when you're done for the day. So you see at the top here, we have an all off button, just an off button. So we're gonna go ahead and press the off button. You can see it's turning everything off. All of our devices are now in an off state. As you can see here, receiver is off, Blu-ray player is off, the cable box is off, and everything. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough here. If you're wanting any system like this from installed and you live in the Dallas area, Dallas, Texas area, please call Pure Media Systems, 972-905-0556. We are authorized dealers for pretty much everybody, as you can see, Sony, Klipsch, SVS, Pioneer Elite, really anybody. Please call us again at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Please help out your local businesses. If you're nationwide and just want to purchase products, don't forget to call us. We can certainly ship nationwide and help you out with any products. It's just like buying directly from the manufacturer. You have full manufacturer's warranty or anything else. So again, number's 972-905-0556. You'll see the number and email address right below here. And please, again, click subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified of new videos. Thanks.